Now, for few more tips for continuous learning. Accept responsibility for continuous learning is only on you and not on your teachers, not on your family or in organization. The responsibility of learning is on you. Attitude is everything. Please always say, I will, I can, and I will do. Okay, it's very important. Third one is believe in your abilities, exhibit confidence. You are here for a purpose. You are here to create miracles. You know that you do not know what you know. You must find out what you don't know and acquire that knowledge. And in doing all this, believe that you are potential to learn everything that is possible for you to learn. Use the various technology tools for learning. For example, there is Khan Academy. There are several courses available. Please use what is available all the time. Get rid of this TikTok business. Get rid of this social media as far as possible. There should be time for everything. Use technology for your betterment of your learning, betterment of your life, betterment of your future. Find a good mentor and also mentor the young children. It's very, very important. Last but not the least, learn hard, work hard, and play hard. It's mandatory for all of us. Okay, now I wanted to introduce to you how industry is adopting the learning as a concept, because industry also need to learn, needs to evolve, and need to remain relevant actually all the time. So what we do in the industry is we emphasize a lot on self-learning. We emphasize a lot of communication skills, interpersonal skills, networking skills. People needs to develop consistently. What we have is something called constant feedback and feed forward. Feedback is about your past performance. Feed forward is about what you can do in the future. So we must provide both in equal terms. So then next is learn to manage yourself. It is very, very vital for you to manage yourself. Nobody will manage you. You have to manage. If somebody has to manage you, then your life will be controlled by somebody else and not you. So it's very, very important. We also have a concept of movie-based learning, outbound learning, learning from unusual sources. You know what? We bring in people from all walks of life. We bring people like doctors, lawyers, theater personalities, artists, police department, government department officials, the monks, the yogis, the sants and sadhus. Because, you know, like I said, everybody has enormous knowledge. We must have an open mind to learn things, and hence this is where the unusual sources is very, very essential. We have standard classroom learning as well. We have a lot of emphasis on coaching and mentoring, and we also have something called the knowledge communities. I would encourage every institution who is participating in this conference to create knowledge communities in your colleges, where the like-minded people can come from different walks of life, different streams of engineering education, different streams of different learnings. It could be engineering, BCA, science, arts and all that. Create different communities. Let people come and collectively learn together. Provide some time, provide a platform for students. But trust me, it will do a whole lot of good to everybody for those who wants to learn. So this is our industry way of learning. I just thought I must leave you with the food for thought to ignite your learning. You must study the past if you want to define your future. The past is your lesson, the present is your gift, and the future is for your motivation. Tell me and I forget. Teach me, I may remember. Involve me, I will learn. This is a very famous quotation. I just wanted to share this with you so that it registers in your mind. You know what? Learning constantly nurtures creativity. It leads to creative thinking, and creative thinking will provide you knowledge, and knowledge will make you a great personality. You know, my dear friends, this is again, I'm reminded of Dr. Abdul Kalam. Once Dr. Abdul Kalam said, if you want to shine like the sun, be ready to burn like the sun first, and then everything will happen. So on that note, I welcome you to the future of learning, future of education. As I said, future is now and here. Prepare yourself for the launch. I thank all of you for giving me an opportunity to share my views on education and learning with all of you. I hope all of you are energized and excited. You are ready to conquer your future. You are ready to prepare yourself for the future. Embrace the VUCA world, and may God bless you. May 1,000 suns brightness illuminate your path of career, and may God be with you all the time. Good luck. God bless. Go kiss the world.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.